Well, Patrick, we certainly view the decision of the government of Belize to withdraw its appeal as a demonstration of the Dean Barrow's administration's commitment to safeguard the country's marine resources. As you know, the PM has publicly stated that a moratorium is in effect. So in terms of next steps, as you are aware, Oceana Belize is in the process of proposing language to formalize that moratorium on production sharing agreements for offshore areas, with the aim of course to ensure the protection of our economically important marine environment and outline clear benefits to Belizeans today and future generations. Well, the small change is that in his ruling in April 2013, Justice Oceana Legal had made 3 orders. One was that declaration that the 6 challenged PSAs, the public sharing, In his ruling, Justice Legal had made orders. He declared that the 6 challenged PSAs were null and void because no environmental impact assessment was carried out before making the agreement, which was a violation of the Environmental Protection Act, and that the agreements were entered into with companies who did not demonstrate appropriate capabilities, which was a violation of the Petroleum Act. The declaration the judgment also included a declaration that before entering into agreements or contracts with authorized oil exploration and seismic surveys, an EIA was required. And thirdly, he issued an injunction restraining the government from carrying out the provisions of the challenged PSAs. So that was the substantive case. What the government has now done is we initially appealed that decision to the Court of Appeal, and now we're saying, no, we're not going to consider with that. So that is an affirmation of Justice Legal's ruling. They have also indicated that the injunction that they had also appealed and got Chief Justice Benjamin to lift, they will also be making an application for that order, that matter to be withdrawn. This is a step in the right direction, but this is not the end-all be-all. This is a demonstration of government's express commitment, an act of good position. So we are going to be submitting very shortly draft language, proposed language for the government to make a formalized position as it relates to offshore oil. Well, as I said, I think this has to be seen as a demonstration of good faith of the Dean Barrow administration's commitment to making sure that everything that's done is done within the proper context and at the proper time. So, you know, this is a really good step in the right direction, but we're certainly not celebrating. I think when the ruling was handed down, that was a time for celebration because that was a legal victory then. This is an affirmation of that ruling, but the work continues. As I said, we've been working on this issue from all fronts, at the grassroots level, at the legal level, to bring about policy change and to make sure that our resources are very clearly protected and safeguarded.